What's
Okay,
up? What are we
so-
drinking?
All right, so I want to introduce you to this cappuccino bomb
Okay.
that I've heard, that I've learned from my friend. So you'll know why why I'm calling it cappuccino. All
Okay.
right. So this is the golden ratio.
Okay.
So these are the soju shot glasses, and then pour soju up until this line
Okay.
for me,
Okay.
and one for you, like so.
Okay. So
And
a little
then-
shot of soju.
Yeah. And then here's beer.
Okay.
And then pour beer up until the extra letterings. Up until there. And then here. So this is golden ratio. And you'll see why I'm calling it cappuccino.
Okay.
Make a
Gotta
lot
hit
of
it
foam.
hard, eh? Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that.
Come on!
Oh, yeah. I see.
Yeah.
So you get a lot
see
of foam there,
yes. So one cappuccino for you.
yeah? One cappuccino for you,
One cappuccino for me.
Cappuccino bomb.
Yeah.
Yeah, right? All right. Gambe.
Cheers.
All right. Ah, yeah. Just like the cappuccino I have back home.
Yeah.
Right. It's good, though. I like it. Thank you.
Okay.
Good stuff. I'm wide awake.